guys real quick. I wanted to show you the box I got from Indigo Harvest. Indigo Harvest is Shawntel's tea line, and it's really good. So look, first of all, the box is super cute. It opens like an envelope. You got some treats inside. So you get your card, you get your tea, a full-size bag, you get some honey straws, you get the little honey stirrer thingy, a diffuser ball, and some tea bags. So you can either do it loose, like in the ball, steep it in the ball, or you can put it in the bags and steep it that way. And you also get this cute little mug. Isn't that cute? You can choose whatever flavor tea you want that comes with your box. I believe there are 3 flavors to choose from. I have I think it's called the Rejuvenation blend. It has sorrel, ginger root, and elderberry. And like I said, it's actually really, really good. It's like good enough to drink straight if you don't mind like a tart taste, kind of like lemon water, in my opinion. But when you add honey, it's even better. But if you're unsure about the flavors, you don't want like the full-size bag like that, you can even order sample sizes. How cool is that? I don't know if you can order an individual sample, but I do know there's like a trio of all 3, and why not just taste them all so you know which ones you like better? So then you can order your full size or order your whole box if you want all the things, because this is really cool. I didn't have a little diffuser before, so now I have one, and I feel fancy when I'm making my tea. So if you want any of this, you want just the tea, you want a whole box, you want to try the samples, for all things Indigo Harvest, go to www.indigoharvest.life and thank me later. Okay, bye-bye.